Sudarshan, neurosurgeon based at Hyderabad. I've got more than 25 years of experience in this field. I am one of the very few neurosurgeons who has been trained in a procedure called endovascular neurosurgery. Here we operate on the blood vessels of the brain without opening the skull. We put a small hole in the groin, and then through that we send a small tube of the blood vessels into the brain and do the work which previously used to need a big brain surgery in the form of opening the skull and then going into that area and then tackling the problem. The whole surgery previously used to take close to 6 to 8 hours, resulting in lot of post-operative stay in the hospital with morbidity also. With this latest innovation, it's a surgery which doesn't need even a suture to close it. In layman's terms, we call it as a pinhole surgery because all the patient will feel is only a scar of a pinhole. Through this procedure, we can tackle many conditions in the brain called vascular aneurysms in the brain, vascular malformations. We can even reduce the blood circulation to tumors, which will help us in surgery later. The other important thing is opening up of the blood vessels in case of an acute stroke, where we can pass a tube into the vessel involved and take out the clot with using medicines called clot busters. We can even put stents inside the blood vessels supplying the brain called carotid artery stenting, vertebral artery stenting, and rarely stenting in the vessels inside the brain also. Another area which fascinated me was the minimally invasive surgery to the lumbar spine. And I am one of the very few neurosurgeons in the country. I am very proud to say that I am one of the very few neurosurgeons in the country who has got trained to do surgery on an awake and a fully aware patient. This is a keyhole surgery, sutureless spinal surgery under local anesthesia. Here we go and then remove the disc prolapses without even opening, without even destroying the muscles there, without cutting the bone. After this surgery, patient starts walking from the operation theatre back to his room, and he can be discharged on the same day. So there are many advantages of this procedure. First of all, this surgery doesn't require any general anesthesia. So the problems of general anesthesia are all avoided here. Second important thing is it's a day care procedure. Patient gets admitted in the morning, and by evening he gets back home. Patient is fully awake during the surgery so that the damage to the nerves or any other tissues can be avoided, because an awake patient can easily warn the surgeon that he is having more pain. Whenever you are operating near a nerve, the patient will experience very severe pain. So this feedback from the patient is lost in general anesthesia. By doing this procedure in local anesthesia, we get a patient, the outcome of our surgery will be perfect without any neurological problems, post-op problems. And the post-op recovery also is very fast because we are not removing any bone, we are not damaging any muscles. We are just splitting the muscles and then going into the disc. And it is done through an endoscope. So even the injury to the skin also is very minimal. Apart from these two things, I do even surgeries for epilepsies, deep brain stimulation for movement disorders and Parkinson's syndrome, along with neuroendoscopy like endoscopic surgeries for hydrocephalus in children, endoscopic surgeries for pituitary adenomas, and regular neurosurgery for tumors, for trauma, and for cranial deformities.